Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Hibaru kini gilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Menteri Katnat Social Welfare but Menteri Company at pet ba polling do ulo ong ba ka jingïakhun pyrshah e ka jingpur step jung drok ha ka jilla Meghalaya kalalong ka jingïaka jakli ka bakraw rei onom la ban job ara ka jingtrei kam ka kutang ha ka Sorkar ba ki pulit. Habagran ha ka jingïalang pet ba hajaka uba lingdo ula kdo ba ka jingwan rung jung drok shaki shnong kari ka jingma ka bakraw ki kalawe jung ki khna ba samla. Ka jingïakhun yo drok kam dei tang ka kam jung ki bor penyat Sorkar rei ka jingïakhun jung ka imlang salang baru ka we. Kini ki jing e ken la ban job radon ka jingïatrei lang ki pulen ki bor shnong bar khamtam e ki Village Defence Party VDP la ong menteri. Ula kentu ki VDP bakin shimbenta kum kinong am kanong ri bante la kam ye ka jingpur jung drok bat ban ye trailang ha ka jing pet ngor ye ka jingwan rung jung kinong di drok ha ki shnong. Ola penrap ru baga jingdan benta jung ki VDP ka dei ka badan kam namar kilong ki bajan shaki pat ba bat kitip iki jing e baga jinglong jung man jung ki shnong. Ha ka ju kapor uba lingdo ula pen pawru bakatnat social welfare kala pen kre banang penbon ki awareness campaign ban hi kai ki samla halor ki jingma jung udrok bat ban pelong ki jingyalang pen smutho bat jing hi kai hapo ki school bat ki shnong. Katnat kan kershan ru ki rehabilitation center ban ailat ki tu ki belangan ha ka jingdi drok bakin yo alat ban phai pat chaka jing in ka babiang. Ka jingyadai ki samla kamla banong tang da ka jing sngo shisha rei da ka jingyatrei lang baro lang. Ka jingyatrei lang jung ki VDP ki wang ba shnong ki seng samla ba ki kenhun kenthe kanong ka bor ba ban pelong ye ka imlang sa alang ka bakhut na ka jingma udrok la benram menteri.
Department. We have revised and enhanced the cash incentive from 800 rupees to 3,000 rupees per month. And these volunteers need not be on the roads, on the streets, on the lanes 24/7. They will only assist the police department with information and giving us leads. So we have done that. We have also till today detained 6 repeat offenders under the PITS NDPS, where they will be detained for a period of 1 year, which is extendable if they are found to be repeating the crimes. So these are all major initiatives that the government has taken. And I would again appeal, as of date, we have just 11 VDPs in Shillong, a city that has now a population that has crossed 5 lakhs, close to 6 lakhs plus. So for a population of 6 lakhs to have just 11 VDPs, because we need information sharing. We need, and we have also the DREAM mission. And recently, you might recall, I have visited the ANTF office, and we have given cash incentives also to their personnel. 10,000 rupees per volunteer, which has not happened in the past. So these are major initiatives. Through you, I would appeal to the Dorbar Shnongs to come forward, take advantage of the offer of the state government, because this is not us versus them. This is not government versus the people. This is the people with us, together tackling the menace of drugs.
But Bapal,
make this your last, yeah?
Yeah, last question. Bapal, this manhandling or this catching this drug addicts or the drugs peddlers by individuals or organization, don't you think that it weakens the law? Because
I have just said that. I have shown you instances why it not only is illegal, it also weakens our effort to tackle, because you need professionals. You can't tackle drugs by going on this vigilantism, because for instance, when you catch drugs from someone's possession and take hold of those drugs, they are now under your possession, so you become the accused. See? Okay, thank you.